future of this country. Now sing! Now sing! The sun will come out. Tomorrow, louder, Harold. $5 then tomorrow. There'll be sun. More than loud. Just thinking about tomorrow. There's away the comments and the sorrow. Still there's no present when I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely. I just stick out my chin.